In this video, I'm going to show you how to get tokens in Leonardo AI the right way using the official free tier so you can start generating images without confusion. Leonardo AI gives you free fast tokens every 24 hours, and if you know where to look, you can quickly check your balance and make sure you're signed into the correct account. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to the official Leonardo AI website at leonardo.ai. Once the homepage loads, look for the Launch App button or the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Click one of those options to begin. If you already have an account, you can sign in right away. If not, you'll need to create one first. Next, choose your preferred login method. Leonardo AI usually gives you options like Google, Microsoft, or email. Pick whichever method you want, but make sure you use a registered account. This is very important because you will not receive the free token allocation if you stay in guest mode. Guest mode may let you preview the platform, but it is not the same as being signed in to an actual account, and your free daily fast tokens will not be properly available there. Once you're logged in, wait for the Leonardo AI dashboard to fully load. Now, look at the sidebar on the left side of the screen. In many versions of the interface, your token balance appears in the top left corner of that sidebar. In some UI versions, you may also see it toward the top right, depending on layout updates. Look for a coin icon and a number next to it. That number is your current fast token balance. For free accounts, this often shows 150, which is the amount you automatically receive every 24 hours as part of the official free tier. These tokens are used for image generation, so this is the amount available for your fast generation tasks. If you don't see the number right away, take a moment to scan the dashboard carefully. The interface may change slightly over time, but the token indicator should still be visible near the main navigation area. If you want to confirm that your free tokens are active, you can try starting a simple image generation and watch the token count update as the platform processes your request. Just remember, the free allocation refreshes every 24 hours, so if your balance runs low, you may be able to wait for the next reset rather than paying immediately. A helpful tip is to always stay signed in with the same account you used to register, because token balances are tied to that account. If you switch accounts or accidentally use a guest session, it can look like your tokens disappeared when really you're just in the wrong profile. So the key steps are simple. Go to the official website, sign into a real account, avoid guest mode, and check the coin icon in the dashboard to see your fast token balance. That's how you get tokens in Leonardo AI using the free tier. If this video made things clearer, please give it a like and subscribe for more AI tool tutorials, workflow tips, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.